Hello, welcome to Philippine Islands and USA Adventure. Today, they're gonna deliver the refrigerator that we just bought yesterday. 2 days ago, and it's coming. So here's the refrigerator. It's Samsung, and here it is. We got it at Robinson. It's got ice maker and crushed ice and water. So here it is. These are the delivery guys. They're big guys, big muscles. Old one right here, and we're gonna keep it where it is, and we're gonna put the new one on this side right here. Hopefully it'll fit. And we just have the kitchen. We finally just have the kitchen done. So timing, it fit perfectly through this opening here. Made up. Kailangan mayroon yan kasi sa bigat na lang. Yung sa amin sa bahay ganyan din.
Huwag mo lang rin sagad kasi yung switch ng ilaw. Switch ko na rin.
There it is.
Yun. Hindi yung switch ng ilaw.
A little bit big, isn't it? Natakpa na amon. There it is. There's the water. It's got water, water locks and cubed ice and also crushed ice. And there's the Samsung. So let's look at inside. There it is. It's got lots of doors, you know how expensive they are. And I'm gonna show you how much it cost me altogether. They were on sale, by the way, because it's after Christmas sale, and that's why I got it. We've been wanting one of these for a long time now, and we finally got it because the little one we ordered, we always ran out of room. I mean, it's like packed like crazy. And so this is the freezer. This is where the ice and the water goes through, and yeah, it's brand new. It smells brand new. And then the water, we don't have to connect it to the water or anything. We just fill this up right here with water, and it turns into ice or drinking water. It depends on which one you push. So this is where we store the water in here. And something. So it's Samsung. It's got 2 years warranty, and it's awesome. I like it. We have lots and lots of room in here. Bobit and his wife, they keep it clean, very clean. They take good care of it. So they take good care of the stuff. And I'll show you what the other one looks like. It's really, really small. It's also Samsung. We got this for 10-15 years, I think. And here's the freezer. I'll show you. It's just like crazy loaded. See, just crazy. And here's the refrigerator. I mean, it's like crazy loaded, guys. Look at that. We also have yeah, it's just really, really crazy. Here's the freezer, chest freezer. We also gonna replace because it's very, very small, and it's loaded. It's full of food. We have meat, fish, bread, pizza crust, whatever, anything left over, we put it in the freezer, and seafood. So that's what we have. It's really small. So we're gonna replace that one too.